Riding an e-bike should be a fairly simple process. No trying to spend time figuring out what gear are you on, what motor are you riding on. It should just be you and the bike. But for most e-bikes out there, you spend way more time trying to figure out the gears and the settings rather than actually enjoying it. And that's exactly what Blix decided to fix with the VIKA X. This is an e-bike that is not only going to respond to you, but it's going to understand you. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Santi from the Tech Utopia team, and today I've got an e-bike for you. This is the VIKA X from Blix. So what if your bike could actually learn the habits, adjust the power automatically, and shift the gears before you even realized that you need to? That's exactly the experience that Blix is giving you, a ride so smooth that it feels like an instinct. This is the Blix Vika X, a lightweight folding e-bike powered by AI-driven auto-shifting pedal assist, and Blix was founded back in 2014 in Sweden and born from the one simple question that is, what if your e-bike rode just like you? And nearly a decade later, Blix is known for combining the Scandinavian design and smart technology, giving the riders the perfect balance of style, simplicity, and innovation. It's pure ride, pure instinct, and pure Blix. Now, the VIKA X is a full-size e-bike that folds in seconds at just 55 pounds, and it's easy to carry, store, or fit into your car trunk. It's built for urban commuters, weekend explorers, or anyone that values a convenience without the compromise. The AI auto-shifting, this is where the magic happens, because Blix's intelligent system monitors the speed, the torque, the terrain, and then shifts the gear to adjust the motor power for you. No buttons, no thinking, just smooth and natural motion that feels like the bike is reading your mind. And now with the 500-watt motor delivering the 70 Newton meters of torque and 48-volt battery that charges under 3 hours, the VIKA X can take you up to 70 miles in one single charge. And whether you're cruising on city streets, tackling steep hills, it handles effortlessly. Every Blix bike is certified by the TUV Rainland and meets the UL 2849 and UL 2271 standards for both bike and battery. Integrated lighting, reflective tires, and hydraulic brakes that keep you safe day and night. Now, out back you get the MIK compatible rack for the baskets or child seats, and a bright display for speed and range, and an app that lets you adjust the settings and update the firmware over air. And you can even switch between Class 2 or Class 3 modes depending on your local regulations. Now, I've been testing this around town and it's wild how simple it feels. You hop on, you start pedaling, and the bike just goes with you. There is no trying to figure out how the gears work, and there is no delay when you actually need a boost going uphill. And when I'm done, the best part is that you can just fold it up and put it back in your car, or just go to the next location that's farther away so you can just keep the battery and then ride it once you get to the spot. So I find them very convenient. I love the basket in the front and how lightweight it is for the size and the power. Now, what sets Blix apart is how instinctive it actually feels, and it's not just another smart tech for the sake of it, but the bike actually adapts to you in real time, conserving the energy, smoothing the bumps, and making each ride feel effortless. It's the closest thing to a bike that actually thinks like you do. So if you're ready to experience that ride by instinct feeling for yourself, you should definitely check out the Blix Vika X. It's the brand new folding e-bike that I think is a phenomenal e-bike for everyday commuting. You can go to the grocery store, you can just ride it for fun, and I think it's a $5,000 value on a $2,000 bike. Right now you can even get an extra $100 off with my discount code, so just go ahead and check out the link in the description. Let me know what you guys think of the Blix Vika X. Thank you guys for watching, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.